I'm gonna demonstrate 8 workouts today. Okay, so let's start with the strength muna tayo. Okay, sige. So let's get started muna. Alright, so first workout we're gonna do our, before we get to the song, I know you like the song. So let's start, arms to the side. Okay, make sure that you have ample space for each and every one. Yan. Alright, check out the person at your back. Say hi to the person at your back. Make sure that you're at least one arm's length also. Alright, first workout, we're gonna start with your squat and press. Okay, feet slightly apart. Okay, toes pointing forward. Put your hands on top of your shoulders. Okay, bend your knees and make your chest lifted. And then stand up and then press your shoulders up. Alright, so let's do it 5 times. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1. This is your squat and press. 2. You can use your dumbbells. If you want to use dumbbells, that's fine. If you don't have any dumbbells, this is your body weight exercise. Last one. Very good. Next workout, we're gonna do jumping jacks. Now, if you are a beginner, you can step side to side. Bring your arms up and down. Or if you want to challenge yourself, paano jumping jacks ng mga malalakas dito? Up and down. Alright? Jump tayo. Let's try. 5 seconds. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very good. Palakpakan nyo ng sarili nyo. Deserve that. Alright. Next movement. We're gonna do skaters. Sino dito yung mga batang 90s who were able to do roller skates? Rollerblades? Right? So what you're gonna do, you're gonna step one foot to your left. Okay? And then put one foot at the back. Balance tayo. And then step the other foot on your right. And then put one foot at the back. Alright? This is the slow movement. Basically, you're just stepping side to side. Or if you want to do it faster, you can jump side to side. Okay? Ready tayo? 5 seconds. 4, 3, let's go. Side to side. Side to side. Okay, very good. Okay? You can put your arms at the sides for balance, or you can just simply bring your arms forward for balance. Alright? Palapakan yung sarili nyo. Very good. Next movement. Sino dito ang mga idol si Manny Pacquiao? We're gonna do some boxing also. Alright. Pero syempre, for the abs din, kasi nakita ko si ate naka-belt. Very good. Sige. So what we're gonna do? Twist, twist, twist. Punch, punch, punch. Alright? And then you do it on the other side. Twist, twist, twist. Punch, punch, punch. Nakuha?
Yes.
Very good. Let's do it. Practice tayo. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Twist, twist, twist. Punch, punch, punch. Twist, twist, twist. Punch, punch, punch. Make sure that you're getting all the energy coming from your abdominals and then punch. Okay? Okay ba?
Yes.
Alright, very good. Next movement. We did it kanina during our run. We're gonna do single leg races. So I want you to do, touch your toes, twist your trunk, and then rotate your arms. Alright? So you're gonna alternate. Make sure that you touch right arm, left leg, left arm, right leg. Practice tayo. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Ingatan yung nasa harap. Make sure to keep a safe distance. Very good. Alright, very good. Sige. This one can target your full body and at the same time, particularly your abs. Sino may gusto ng abs?
Me.
Okay, palapakan yung sarili nyo. Very good. Next movement. We're gonna go for your fast feet. So, paano naman ang fast feet? You're gonna bend your knees, okay, slightly apart. Hands in front for balance. Tiptoe. Tiptoe. Tiptoe, little bit faster. Tiptoe. You're doing it na. Tiptoe. Faster, faster, faster. So that is your fast feet in 3, 2, 1. Palapakan yung sarili nyo. Very good. Alright. Next movement. Basketball fans. Sino dito? Alright. Sige. Same with skaters kanina. Kanina, we were just doing side-to-side steps, right? Dagdagan natin ng jump. Pagpunta sa side, you're gonna jump. Shoot that ball. Go to the other side. Shoot that ball. Alright, try natin. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Shoot. Other side. Shoot. Other side. Shoot. Last one. Alright, very good guys. Palapakan niyo sarili niyo. Later, yung mga basketball fans, gusto ko makita kung gaano kataas ang inyong talon. Alright? Sige. Last but not the least, ang favorite ng workout naming lahat sa aming team, Transformations PH. Ano kaya yon?
Burpee.
We're gonna do a burpee.
Yes.
Okay. Sige. Oh, is this your first time doing the burpee?
No.
No?
Aba,
Oh, wow. Very good.
very
Is this your
good.
first time? Sino dito? Very good. You are in for a challenge. Sige. Raise your arms up. Squat down. Kamay, lagay sa floor. Step back to your high plank position. Alright? For those who can, do your push-ups. And then, step again to your squat position. Tiptoe up. And then down. Very good. Okay, that is the beginner burpee. But for the advanced and the regulars here, you know the drill. Okay? Sige, everyone good? Yes. Sige. All throughout the movement, all throughout the 4-minute routine, I'm gonna demonstrate every workout. You're gonna do it non-stop for 20 seconds and then 10 seconds of rest. And then we go to the other workout. Nakuha? Yes. Alright, sige. Follow along lang tayo. Sige, let's start with a song. Ready na ba kayo, guys? Arcovia City, are you ready, beautiful people?
Yes!
Alright, let's do this.
Three, two, one.
Let's
Welcome to
go.
Tabata.
Let's start with your
Here we go
squats
with five.
and press. Ready? 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go!
On a Saturday night in the summer, sun down and they all come out.
Very good.
Lamborghinis and the running Hummers.
Don't forget
The
to
party's on, so
smile.
they're heading downtown.
Round one.
Everybody's looking for a come up,
Let's go.
and they wanna know what door I'm by. Me in the middle with the one I'm loving.
Three, two,
We just try to
Very
figure
good.
everything
Next
out.
movement, jumping jacks. You can step side to side or you can bring your arms up and down.
Five.
Ready, tayo? Arcovia, let's go!
3, 2, 1, go!
We don't feel well. Swinging out just ourselves. I could use some help getting out of this conversation.
Round two.
You're understanding, dear. Don't ask that question here. This is my only thing.
Three,
We go.
two, one.
Next movement, skaters tayo ha. Ready for the count. Skaters, alright? Very good, okay pa? Thumbs up.
3, 2,
Let's go!
go!
Round
three.
Very good. Nice one, good job guys. Next movement, twist, twist, twist. Punch, punch, punch. Okay? And then do it on the other side as well. You can do it. Don't forget to breathe and smile. Let's go! Very good! So beautiful. I love it. Come on. Punch. Coming from your abs. Engage that core.
4, 3, 2, 1,
Okay.
stop!
Slow it down. Single leg raise.
Okay.
Wala na munang talon. Ready?